Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling name drop on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When name drop is enabled, you can tap your watch against another Apple Watch or iPhone to instantly share your contact info. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Contacts. Then tap the toggle to the right of name drop to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, name drop is enabled, and when grey, it is turned off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.